So I'm just going to show this again. I'm going to let go of the ball from here. Now we're not assuming that the bumper kicked it. We're not. It's just the gravity pulling it down. And keep in mind that this is a short play field compared to a normal pinball machine. So in a normal pinball machine length, the ball might travel through gravity twice as far as this. So here we're going to let it go. See what happens when it hits the flipper. Whoops. Another important thing is the angle of the table affects the difficulty of any pinball machine. And sometimes what the owners of the machines will do is they'll adjust the legs on the bottom of the machine to adjust the tilt. The more tilt there is, the more difficult the game is, because the faster the ball travels down. Now, I don't think I have it adjusted very well, and the ball is traveling not only very fast, but it's traveling at a bit of an angle, so my table is not at all calibrated as it should be. So again, I'm letting go about here. It's not falling straight down like it should be, but you can kind of see how it reacts with a on a flipper that isn't moving. Whoops. And then let's see how it bounces against posts. Oh, and I think you might have seen that. There's some bounce against the metal as well. Depends what angle. Here I'm throwing it against the flipper. There's a lot more bounce against the slingshot. And there would be an incredible amount of speed if the kicker were working. As opposed to just that, it would probably kick off and actually hit all the way up here with some force. Here it is with a new rubber. It's fairly bouncy. Lastly, I can show up here. Not much bounce. And well, I think that's all I can really show here, and it's not very scientific. Actually, the only thing I could probably do is help a bit more is show you some measurements. So for that earlier experiment, the distance that the ball moved was approximately 12-13 inches, maybe even 14 inches, and then it struck the flipper. So I hope this is helpful. Good luck.